Welcome to the Berks County Public Libraries Virtual Reference Desk tutorial. I'm here to show you how to use the Libby app by OverDrive to download eBooks and eAudiobooks. Libby offers the same book titles available on OverDrive, but with an easy one-tap app interface. To get started, go to your device's app store and search for Libby. The Libby app is available on Apple, Android, and Microsoft devices. Download the app and follow the guided instructions to set up your account. You'll be prompted to select your library location. For all Berks County Public Library card holders, you'll want to select Reading Public Library. Use your library card number and PIN to sign in. If you forgot your PIN, you can either call your local library for assistance or try resetting your PIN in the county-wide catalog. Once logged in, you can use the search icon to search for a specific author or title. Or you can browse the collections and use filters based on your preferences. Any books that are currently checked out by another user will have the option to place a hold. You'll receive a notification from Libby when your hold is available to download. Titles that are currently available to check out will say, Borrow. When checking out a title, you have the options to select the loan period best for you. Choose your preferred loan period before clicking Borrow. Borrowed titles appear on your digital shelf and download to the app automatically so you can read them when you're offline. From your shelf, you can click on the ebook or eAudiobook you want to read. Tap the Manage Loan selection to see options like Renew, Return, or Read With. You can explore titles based on subject, format, or availability. Borrow thousands of free digital books from your library by using the Libby app and your library card. Check back for more tips and tricks to make the most of your reading experience.